Hello everyone, welcome to my channel S.G.M Creations and Tutorial. Today is Palm Sunday. I am here to show you my project. This is a palm tree made from the recycled green tea empty bottles. I created this like a real palm tree. Look at here, 3 pieces of tree. And now it serves as my palm tree for the Palm Sunday. Sorry, I don't have any palm tree, so I just display this one. This is my home decoration for the Lenten season. I put here the statue, the cross of Jesus Christ. This is a silver. And this one, here's the light. So let's commemorate the Lenten season and let's decorate our home with some simple Lenten decorations. It's Lenten season this month, so we will celebrate the Palm Sunday. So this is my Palm Sunday home decoration, our table centerpiece with a big cross. This rosary beads is a wooden rosary beads made from the real woods of olive tree from Jerusalem. This is handmade, and the tree is also handmade by myself. So try to recycle. If you have time, you can recycle your waste material and you can create a beautiful project like this. So this is a palm tree. I can use this as a Christmas tree. At the same time, I can use this as my lampshade, and I can use also as a jewelry organizer because I put some organizer here. This is the bottom of the bottle. I fix it here, and the base is made from the recycled bottom of the water heater. And inside of this tube is empty tubes of aluminum foil. You have to cut the neck of the green tea bottles and insert into the tubes and fix it with the glue. Well, insert one by one and fix with the glue, and next, and then these leaves you can shape it like this. Oh, a pointed one. You can cut out the leaves of the bottle of the green tea into 6 parts and cut into pointed type and cut along the sides like this, and insert a wire inside the tubes, and you can insert the leaves in the wire. And when you fix the leaves, fix it one by one and fix it with the glue so that it will stick together. And on the bottom you have to fix the 3 wires together so that it will hold the tree, and on this bottom you have to fix it also with the glue so that it will stand strong firmly. So that is it. And this coconut fruit is made from the aluminum foil. I just wrap around and tie it with the wire and colored it with the nail polish mint green. And this is the battery operated battery operated light. and this one is a miniature across. So that is my project, the palm tree. I hope you like this project. If you like, just give a thumbs up and share this video to your friend, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel S.G.M Creations and Tutorial, so that you will be updated with all my projects and you will learn many things from me. I will share all my ideas and my skills to you, so that you will also learn how to create a beautiful project out from recycled materials. So happy Sunday, happy Palm Sunday, and a blessed Lenten season to everyone. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again in my next video. Ciao! God bless everyone.